I'm a salesman at the Weingartz Ann Arbor location.
And my name is Steve Sarnowski, and I'm also a salesman at the Ann Arbor Weingartz location.
Today I'm here to talk to you about the Ventrac SSV, their do-everything wintertime snow and ice management extravaganza.
And I'm here to talk to you about the Ventrac 4500 tractor, a full four-season machine with over 30 attachments, but we're here specifically to talk about the variety of snow management options for the 4500.
The Ventrac SSV is capable of handling a lot of wintertime tasks, including, but nowhere near limited to, plowing snow, overall snow and ice management. A lot of different attachments can be used on this machine, including the broom that you're able to see right here. There is a V-plow that is going to be coming out in a short amount of time that will be available to all of you shortly. There is currently a wide range of straight plow configurations. And from an ice management perspective, you've got a drop salter option as well as a brine tank. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to go in some greater depth on some of these implements and give you an idea as to how this is going to help your business be as profitable and efficient during wintertime as possible. As a whole, the machine itself is very operator friendly. They give you a nice wide open platform for a variety of different size users to be able to comfortably operate the machine. Plenty of room up on the panel, and the controls are very well spaced out. Exaggerated knobs on the drive levers here, so if you're using oversized gloves in the wintertime, it makes it very easy to drive the machine. Operating the machine is very, very simple. From a safety and operational perspective, you have the options of a lot of different lighting options, both for being able to increase your visibility and for safety. You've got forward and back work lights, as well as hazard lights over here. Another great feature about this machine is the PTO feature. So again, you are able to run machines that require the external power source like the broom. The 12-volt actuator kit does a great job for you being able to change angles and directions of the bristles on a moment's notice. So you're really able to take and utilize this machine to the maximum potential. From an ice management perspective, you're given two different options. You have a drop salter located right down here underneath the machine, which is good for salt or solid ice melt application. In addition, you have a brine tank, and the brine comes out just beyond those rear fenders for liquid application. Another great thing about this machine is the engine is completely enclosed. There's no exposed engine parts, so especially taking it out in those challenging temperature days where the weather gets below zero, you don't have to worry about any freeze up on the engine. You're also going to get best-in-class hydraulics on this machine. So rest assured that wherever you take the machine, you know that it's going to be up to the challenge. From a maintenance standpoint, you have a lot of your key components hidden right behind these doors here. You've got your key engine components, your oil and your oil filter, along with your hydraulic lines and some of your transmissional components over on the left-hand side. And then over on the right-hand side, you're going to find some of your electronical components, your fuse panel, and then on the inside of the door here, you're given a nice layout of a lot of your key components, your fuse locations, and a lot of your maintenance timeline points to ensure that you're conducting your maintenance in a timely manner. Accessibility is a really big plus with this machine, and especially at a moment's notice when you're out in the middle of a snowstorm, knowing where stuff is and knowing that you have easy access to it really makes all the difference in crunch time. The SSV comes standard with a powerful 18.5 horse Kawasaki engine. So definitely you're rested assured that the amount of power that you need to tackle the job is going to come standard with this machine.
The Ventrac 4500 tractor. This is a full-time four-wheel drive tractor with articulation in the middle to handle uneven terrain. It comes with a variety of 30 different attachments, but I'm here to talk to you today about the snow attachments in particular. This machine can be equipped with a snow thrower like it is today and the snow cab. It can also be equipped with a bristle brush for those sensitive sidewalk areas like pavers, or a variety of 4 different plows, including a V-plow. The snow cab on this machine provides operator comfort and safety in those harsh conditions. It can be equipped with a heater, defrost system, lights, and a windshield wiper to improve visibility. To remove the attachments off the front of the machine, you pull a lever in the cab, you pull off the PTO belt and drive away from the tractor. It takes about 30 seconds to maybe a minute. The 4500 can be equipped with 4 different engine choices, including an air-cooled engine, a Kawasaki fuel-injected engine, or your choice of 2 Kubota engines, a diesel or a gas engine. The gas engine is the most powerful engine in the lineup, and the water-cooled engines are the ones that will give you the option of having a heater in your snow cab. This machine can also be equipped with a drop spreader. The drop spreader can be mounted in the 3-point hitch receiver and is operated by remote control. It drops the width of the machine and keeps that salt on the sidewalks. This machine has a 48-inch width, but can handle attachments up to 6 feet wide to push snow or use a broom. You can see the cab in the Ventrac snow cab is spacious and roomy with plenty of room to operate all the controls. You have the PTO switch here, which turns on your implement in the front. This handheld controller on the side operates your forward and reverse speeds, up and down on your attachments, and also gives it into the flow position for plows. The 4500 can also be equipped with a variety of over 30 attachments, not just for snow work, but also for mowing, stump removal, aeration, and the number one attachment is the Tough Cut deck, which can handle 3 to 4 foot tall grass and overgrown brush. The machine can also be equipped with dual tires and can handle slopes that most mowers cannot.
More information on the Ventrac SSV or the 4500 can be found on our website, Weingartz.com, or at any of our Weingartz locations.
Please contact us if you're interested in a demo or pricing information at your convenience.
Thanks for watching today. I'm Vince Progar.
And I'm Steve Sarnowski for Weingartz.